Umurebe wa TV Murunzi nakutanjera eshaha nibirzichiro kandi neshaha ezamakuru Agacencwire agutwa kurundanira izoberi orukwijaga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian Oworumi orgo bonero bit takaga kureta irombo ijwire reka tubanze tkoreke ebukuru ebyija bgebembire rero nabwanyuma tujaga kusyaho mbu ijwire. Agacencwire kireki okufa ko wa PFF Denmark abintu mugisha kwa leta ko bufuco mu banyambara
Adios abar champion leadership abar champion change kusikinga change ihanga ry'itu rya Uganda.
Bara University yatongoze nkora eyukuyamba ihanga
dategeke tuyamba imanya tumanya dynamics ninga ubungi bw'abantu mu mwanya.
Government yatongozo kombeka damu eyukuhereza abantu amizigo kwiterera bihingwa omuri Sinjiro.
Twende kinde kishikire ekirukwiza kuyamba abantu ba Uganda nyenchakare kikayamba abanyisinjiro nchakare.
Tonjera kutanjera omakuru Agacencwire abaruga kusyaho nda Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian Oworumi orwo bonero abanyambara abarumu enkunzi z'ebyo butegeki na munonga abecugombe echa PFF omukasheshekeri izuba bacero mucekango chamani bwanyuma yo kufa kwa Adios Denmark abinumugisha owagwa hansi kandi akaferaho. Denmark abinumugisha akabaho omwebembezi ninga she guild president witendekero erya Bishop Stuart University kandi hati abire ayirekiriro kwesimba ahantebe eyo munyishenjero ahabwambara City House omukigombe echa PFF.
Okurigirra harbanywana ba Adios Denmark bino mugisha batungo kumanyisibwa mu majingo ga shamushanze kiro ngo yaterra hamadara kugwa hansi ahari Grand Holiday Hotel Limited bwanyimanukwe kwirukangiza bwa owabyamaka clinic aho bamwiha kumutwara Mayanja Memorial Hospital aho yafera.
Amakuru ganshanga nantakimikira nancari umuka mbere ya senior public relations officer wa Bishop Stuart University mchara rozo bankora arangira ngo Denmark yafu mubuza wakuterera noha at brother way yitwachi angira ngo Denmark barashuma steps ariko bwo mu Grand Holiday aro steps abara kujimanya harutatitwe ya missing step emwe yagwa umutwe yabantu gwe yabanza hansi so twabuza bindi biru kukora takubona yataruko bimanya kuba rukubikira bagambira bico genda kuronda bingi so kubwashesha tuzayo kora horchiko kureba kutwakwasa kutebekanise ebingi byo nebindi bigendo meisho shanga ngo kwahereze gwa hansi banywana yaye bacyaruho omuhotera aho shanka mukaga mushanju kuba rukugera bamutwara ahari byamakabo jya niyo herese center ningirwa rere hi byamakeshange taro Mombasa bamohereza harma yanja.
Twagezaho kushikira mukama wa Grand Holiday Hotel Limited erkwebemberwa Stanley Katembeya kandi orkwebembera n'ekigombe cya PFF omuri burenge rw'izoba aho yatushobora kibireho
amadara gatura ha hoteli bariyo myaka 30 cyo nakugira ngo an accident anybody can fall from there ngo tukugira ngo n'icyaburije kiri aho buri muntu wakuza ahubwo this is an accident kanto ino ko kubaza kukintu niho kugira ngo hotel ne yanjye tukumasa ngo amadara garo kugira ngo rukabona ubwo
bobanywani be bamugamba aho nko muntu abira ino kumarira kwamani omubinte byaro gukora kandi abira ryo mwebembezo rukurwanira rubugabe bw'abantu
atabena isimba mbara City South noreba ngo abari ryo mwebembezi muto kandi itwe nka young generation ninga nk'abantu abato twaferwe kintu cyango kandi abari ryo muntu ari kureba hari kandi ari ukunda amazonga ikintu kiba kigwira kugira teki kigwire kandi kiba kikira kugira teki kishikire
umwana ubira ine mico mirungi munonga umuro batahibe mu community mico warebera buri muntu we na concerned kumanya habira akibira Denmark ningi
Denmark adios atuyira rumunywano witu nangwa no kukiraho ahabo kuba atuyira brother witu narishimura muna witu ombya change adios abari champion omu leadership abari champion omu change omu kusikinga change omu ihanga ryitu rya Uganda.
Denmark abari omwana ari corporate kandi ari kugenda na buri omwe wena nko kuwiza kasita oburyo mu struggle Denmark yuwizira oryo mu struggle abena kwakira mu kwatagana Denmark aje kiwamwebuzaho akikabaraho jabena atukizaho na politics Denmark
bino mugisho wa fera ha myaka 31 akabaho mwebembezo w'abeji bitendekero rya Bishop Stuart University kandi akabaho no mwebembezo w'eminyeto omu kigombe cya FDC aho yayisimbira bwa MP bw'eminyeto mu ruburenge rw'izoba bitararaberemo kandi ogwa hu ya fera yabariyo naza kwesimba habwa MP bwamba City House kurigera ha kigombe cya PFF cyabira mu nko mwebembezo w'eminyeto omu ruburenge rw'izoba bashohoza program yo kumushendekereza aho nyencha kararije kushabirwa hari Uganda Matters Catholic Church nabwanyuma naija kuzikwa wabo mu district ya Rukongeri ahizo baryo rwa mukaga
nejagarika kutuyamba okunetinga emirimo ninga activities ninga obumwe obwa activists ninga abarwanizi bedembe
nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire
amazina
Denmark Denmark I am aspiring to be a member of parliament.
Godamakuru gobusasi kandi mukama Denmark amhumuze ombusinje ntugumizamo na namakuru obwihe rya Uganda People's Defense Forces zirukhandika abanya-Uganda bararyegiteho omurika sese bayire ko butashemererwa bwanyuma yo kuremwa okusenamba y'abantu bebero mwenda babanu benda batyo bakahandika igana nkaga na bashatu ahabwenshonga ezitayetegerezubwa ebyona byakorerwa ahari Rwenzo Square erukushangwa omuri Central Division omu district ya Kasese
kurigirira Arkano Richard Seguya uri kurira byo kutendeka abari kuzomahe ahabwa Mount Division nuwe yahayo ubutashemererwa bwanyuma yombaro ogubabire nibenda kwanga kushika.
But it's rather unfortunate that Kasese as a district was allocated 209 candidates, but unfortunately we can only afford 163. Reasons I don't know.
Lieutenant Joy Warusimbi or RDC wa district ya Kasese kando wabari omujenyi mukuru aha mukorogu we yashaba abo bona abarukwenda kwegita ahiherya UPDF kubagire michwe mirungi.
Mucyensinze okuteka kesira zempisa n'obuulize eri kubanga n'eri abakulembera. Fena ekyo gye bayitamu naffe gye twayita. Ne mbategeeza nti nange naliko nga bo nga ntudde mu musana nga guno neera Katonda nanyamba nembera muwulize n'obugumikiriza nensobola okukola ki okuyitamu.
The number one pillar in your development is discipline. Discipline involves everything, including loyalty to your leaders. Chongozi number one in Uganda and nani? The first leader in Uganda is who? So loyalty to your leaders. Wala ambao wanerewa wamefanya nini? Wamerewa.
Kano Seguya nayongera jirangu nkihanga okuma obusinge n'abantu okutunguka niyo nshonga nkuru ibemerire.
Because with an insecure environment, there is no way Uganda can develop. And the only way Uganda can be secure is by sacrifice. We must sacrifice as Ugandans to ensure that this country is safe.
Eggwanga toli muntu asinga kuyinza kugamba kwagala eggwanga lyokusinga gwo. So bakulembeze okwagala eggwanga lyabwe ate bakulembeze nabo bennyini tya bakama baabwe abakulembera babe batambula.
n'obukyarabekiri kityo omubaro gw'abishiki abarukuza omumahe gukiri hansi bwanyuma y'okushanga ngu omukwakiro okukonka abishiki 12 nibo bizire kandi abojo ni 51 gashakwa Gilbert Muhangusi.
Gilbert Muhanguzi twagumizamu n'Agacencwire mbara University of Science and Technology erizuba yatongoza umuringo musya oguba kubasa kuyamba ihanga okuruteka omuhanda ogushikire encourage yayetwa Must Policy and Economic Data Center kandi yatongozubwa erizuba ahari mbara University of Science and Technology Chumuro campus.
Ramadan Govi, or Permanent Secretary wa Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, nuwe yakura omukoro ogw'okutongoza encourage. Govi yasimita endekero ryambara University habo kutandikaho encourage kandi yagira nka government betebekanise kubakwatiraho okureba ngu yayamba ihanga.
This is fundamental in terms of where we want to take the country in our 10-fold growth strategy. It's a new innovation because of the fact that they are leveraging technology, new technologies like the artificial intelligence to analyze this big data, condense them into some messages which can help decision makers in cabinet, in parliament.
Omuspichi ye Dr. Musita yashobora hawenchi bashazire mu kutandikaho encourage.
Tureba nshonga nka PDM ninga Paris Development Model uko kubasa kukosa information eze sente zo kubahereza kandi tracking kureba ukuzi bayasere kuyamba abantu okurakurana ibintu nk'ebyo ntubireta kandi obushango muri system yeitu ninga sheba kweta ije akarimageze artificial intelligence eri kuyamba okutunga solutions ningashi ebyo kugarukwamo byebizo bingi.
Professor Pauline Byatika or Vice Chancellor wa Mbara University nagira ngo baheze koragana n'ebitongore binje bya government okureba ngo encourage yayamba ihanga.
This center is expected to conduct research and collect data from all these agencies, collect data from the community, and at the end of it all analyze this data and come up with information to guide policy making. So
babibembeza hamwe n'abandi bantu bakora bahikaha mukorogu basime encourage.
Ejenkora eba tongoza ha Mbara University neija kutuyamba itwe nkabebembezi ahabo kuba collecting data bakagiteka mu central system nkituyamba umungeri kitwe nkabebembezi omu creating policies zihanga. Policies ni nkengenderwa ihanga biri kutekateka gukora umuhakurwa programs zihanga kugendera.
But having this opportunity to share it with Must is also another area of increasing our visibility of our information, and also because we support the government in tax policy analysis.
Amakuraga gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.
Sengendo Abdukarim tugumizamu n'amakuru abatura na n'abarukozesa oruguto rwa Chadwera okuzacabya omurishu Town Council erukushanga mu district ya Shema obwa hati binaka mwenyo hamatama bwanyuma y'oruguto rwabo okutongozibwa kutandika kukorwa.
Oruguto rwa Charwera shoko orutwira ryo mu mberambi bwanyuma y'abatura kweterera nduru rutandikire kukorwaho bwanyuma ya mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwa district ya Shema Gemma twimuce buhanda kuragera ngo rutandikire rukorwe babatura omucangeci basimira obuhereza okorwa mu district ya Shema.
Abamwe turi abashubuzi no mukora twakuze konka turi abashubuzi tware musuburo cyabye myani ki buri kimwe cyose omwana nakujya kuyihaho umwana ugusiye cyabye ne 15 abwe nshonga y'uruguto
abe harimo mununga kuyaho hati bora hatereze mbona ngo cyatereze ibe fire nikikana bokuyo mizi
nkai
kandi kanabo de hariya aha muhanda hari ebyine bihango biri batoko kumwatereza ari kunasha umukashije
abatura basimire mukuru w'entebe ya katano Gemma buhanda muhanda gwabo kandi akabakorera icyo bamushabire
beno mbanta batararwo nkenda no kutera ngo abo kuba ibite byakozere bigiye kambere akakuyana ka mu district takaza mu Kayombo kona mwene tusimira cyo kunja karu abgato
kashibiya rhona akora
ahindu gambira abantu barabo amwe na nsawe barabo muzigenda ziragaraka ahagwina kungahindu gambira hatecho cyako karekire kumza mutkora
ojakira mukuru w'intebe ya gatano Moses Muhammad kwaranka minister w'ebyenguto n'amizi omu district ya Shema to najya mutinde rwuto rwo mu district oragomera takozebweho
mwene kagamazima tukagira umwe beza experience abo kwesente kuzukeza kwisha nishanga wa plan ziryaho zitegerize kandi omukazi nabyetegereza je nabaroho natushitamisa atugambira atoreka buri muntu mu department yeye okureba ebyakozwe byasigire nibiha ebikwetaga gukorwa nibiha
orugutoro nurwija kusharwa oburingwa bwa kilomita mukaga kandi n'izindi nguto ziryo mu byangebi eziri mu Kitagata Town Council eziryo mu Mberambi gasha kwa Mike Atwachire
Michael Atwachiro umurebe wa TV Sto murunje ni kusima aho uri kuturebera hona kandi we bari na doktorana okureba TV West twishirize tumureho ntugarukana makuru agandi
agarukurataho nagakushikibwaho
Move nerwa mite nebijumana oyizezo rukugomshaka okutambe ndwara zombiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezimbawe kundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabito mushipa kimwe
agarukurataho umwijurano gwa kasasiro muri Katerera aba Lions Club bayikwatiramo umurubirizi
omwanya wo gwa Katare ni gwetaga public toilet
agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho
Move nerwa mite nebijumana oyizezo rukugomshaka okutambe ndwara zombiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezimbawe kundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabito mushipa kimwe
Are you in panic? Or are you afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazira Red Tonic, you will put higher red moments. And with Kazira Power Tonic, you have your game power. Enjoy Kazira Red Tonic and Kazira Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazira Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazira Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Renko mwerere no mfaratsi gw'omutendo kandi rukanga ubwongo ombere kurushasha kubyamaje kigambe bakwecho rukwen Resform ensiye biroto birungi
nyebite ko byenda
Penkoni
yakwera utamuyo mu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje tere kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngashimye de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukhereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa ni
no buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms is self contained DSTV security rije
sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahimbura kache Vision Empire oruguto hatora kate unjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumshanje mwenda 18 58 58 ninga no tumshanje no tumukaga 36 36
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like Agacencwire, staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
wakozesa momo nobo inamani go kushashura ibishare byawe juba kandi hatari okuteganisibwa urikozesa simu yawe yimata star emwe mukagitano star inahashi ninga shigo scanning code ku downloadinga momo app obase kushashura mizi amashanyarazi TV school fees n'ibindi byinji munonga chorobi kandi nikiyambo butashisha bwire iwe yahaye simu yawe woshashure ejo niyo momo amana gari kuretera kuciraho.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumukidara, kabataka jiremo. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wearing ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze zenyine. Iyo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumbo.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekere nikuteganisa we. Ndembogo yoka Ndembogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimuka manje agaruka meshara zanje.
Mbarara Institute for Social Development ishomero iryatangira umwaka kwa 2019 kandi rya mwanya gwariyo omuri Mbarara aharuguto rwaza kabare umutawo Ruti bakwiniro bwegese burungi aharurengo rwa certificate hamwe na diploma omashomo ga secretary accountancy journalism and mass communication electrical engineering civil engineering automotive mechanics ICT hotel and institutional catering fashion and design nagande menji ebyemizano hamwe no kutina kwa tsamani okwehandisa ni kugenda umisha ishomero.
Pays recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa mingi nabatabarusi yabona abafune visas bakatambara kandi benjera kuvanyisa abantu mwena ngw'imihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harmu visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cyanyonyi omu Dubai emiromo nkaba customer service airport security aviation stewards a check-in agent, landing grounds guides, and aircraft cleaners. Okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamirimo yona ahamataji gabogona.
Esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itanu ninga note mushanju note rukumi.
Baruka yuko mukahumuro tukiri omakuru Agacencwire kandi agishekeki government ya Uganda okurabira o ministry yazina ryo buhangwa na ministry ebyo buhinji hamwe na nobrisa batungoza kombeka damu yo kwereza abantu amizi agukwitira bihingwa damage na ija kombekwa omuri district y'Isinjiro kandi mu district Senkantungamo Dwampara hamwe n'Isinjiro baye hananjirizibwa okumbeshara omamiza agagarije kubandagaruka.
Umushakira mukuru w'ihanga wa district ya Rwampara yahiga bembezi okuzabuzora misho obwe barukurebuza emirimo egenderire okurinda ebyo buhango.
Thanks so much, Minister of Water. I know that project is going to succeed because all of us, our eye is going to be on the project. I know that we are going to benefit 100% on this project.
Ebi yabgamba obu districts ishatu eziri mu ntungamo Isinjiro na Rwampara babanu batongoza enkora eyibayeta Irrigation for Climate Resilience Project okuhereza abatura amizi omuri district y'Isinjiro gebihingwa ekiraba yambe okuhinga mu bwinji no mu bwire bw'omushana.
Nisha ba contractors aba basyabize bamanye ngo itamisha gitu amatuga gitu n'ubwenge witu bwona burya hagura wundi kabuyanda ha damage tukakora kigwire tukakureka tukaguma tunami ntwende kinde kishikire ekiri kwija kuyamba abantu ba Uganda nyencakare kikayamba abanyisingiro nyencakare derense zindi na za districts zindi zikagumaniza Isingiro okushoma kureba bishimwe n'umutikora obwire bw'omushana okureba ngwimwe nimba mwine byo kurya
project eji ikitakwende na mukaro benefiting twasha benefitinga aku intervingwa kwasa benefitinga mfereza mizi okunywa twasha benefitinga mutubya MT
commissioner buhangwa nagira ngo encourage neyo kumara umwaka gumwe kandi nibaza kushomesa abatura no kubahereza ebintu ebirabahwere okuhiha mwentasya obwe baba barigire ombishara
za project specifically tureba ka household communities hano za kushanga nka rukaga hano tureba nka area nka hectares za ko wano ugamba ko nkechara ati cyo wano ureba ki ne bari nka nevere size area.
I need to talk about transparency and accountability. That is very, very important. Some contractors come to the districts, they bypass our offices as other cases. So now this time around, I want to appreciate the contractor of Lot 2. Stand up and you should give it to me.
Project eji nibakombekana damu ombwire bw'omwaka gumwe kandi abatura nibaza kukoresa damu eji erabe neyihamizi ombishara nkamishumba cyana nganda hamwe na cyenzo ahibashaba okubirinda. Nde Michael tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.
Webare Michael tumwakira aba Lions Club eyarubirizi bakwatira kwa abaturage bakatera obwe barukuyonja etawuni yabo aba bayonjera bashaba abaturaba okufa munonga ahamagara gabo.
Hasha itano zakasheshe aba Lion Club rubirizi bahika omutawuni ya Katerera kandi aba babanza no kuyonja etawuni eyabe yijwire omwijurano gwa Kasasiro kandi bayegitwaho nabandi okubahwera omurumogo.
Twashara mutwaye hayo okwatagana n'abantu ba Lions Club okurebuka kutwakirinenge town age konka tumayidismay obutwa abantu tambura twashange town yona teyine kibakwa nangwa ka dustbin na kamwe kugira ngo umuntu yayihaha nabasa kutwara Kasasiro agira hiyagiteka.
Omwanya ogwo gwa Katare ni gwetaga public toilet. Public toilet eji ahabwa abantu population mpango eri mu mwanya neyetaga abantu babebine aho kweyambera so babatungire umwanya gwa toilet ekazaho ya public etari yo kushashurwa
icyo mugisanga gusingaho gundi ndetawuni karaka weje tawuni azije tawuni inebzu binji ye buhangwa mizi drainage rofa na nebindi so abarayanize batusibira kandi barebe bukorwa nani mbaterero muranga abantu bana bakatije ngo abako basamwize mutwegiteho niyobe pato okusorovinga bizubu
na bwanyuma aba Lions Club rubirizi batayira abarwire ahirwaro ya Katerera Health Center ya Kashatu ababa barimu abakazi benda n'abahereze kuzahara kandi babakwatiraho nebikozesa.
Ntubasima webirabo ebimwatuhereza mwayakira Lions abato nangwa mwatuherezana n'umugisha abandi mwasiga bazarwa abandi bariyo nibazarwa n'abandi bariyo nibenda kuzarwa
so twagira ngo twegese abantu okayerindo tendwara yashukara umurubirizi ngarubirizi endwara yashukara yahigura munonga actually it's worrying netangaza neitsa n'ubwoba.
Umugandi abebembezi barabwire kandi bayemereza emirimo yona erukorwa ahamugera gwampanga okwenda kugaruza busya ombyo buhangwa byago.
Echo kibishita kumanyuka kureka hati obutwazayo tukarambura tukacumanya twaciceza akwa twine abakozi bitu twine polisi twine ki mwene tubandisa mu cyokomwe mujemu murebuke nk'umwaka muyohangwa kuba abasomisi
nonga abo kwantu generating amashanyarazi agampanga hydro power project hati kakagenda gacendera abo abantu kutahirira umugerogwi so twasanga ngo abantu nubatekwa kwegesebwa abantu nubatekwa kumanyisibwa okutahirira umugerogwe nje bankitusisira nkito banyakitagwenda abo kwantu tuzo kusanga obwire bwo miso tutakine nanzura yona abo mugerogwe kandi tutakine byo buhangwa aha mugerogwe.
Ebe nebindi bigambirwe obabire nibashwijuma ebyo buhangwa ahamugera gwampanga no kuronda amagesi okuba kubasa kurwanisa okucwekerera kwago.
Bababire nibahinga nibatamugera nibosye bishara when there is a lot of destruction there. So nyonko mwebembezi ningira nti we should restore that place.
Ni wowe nekibira kikuri hihi ninga shoyi namizi gajyaho one kurango wetlands twazirinda kurungi kandi twareba ngumwanya gwitu waguma kubonera.
I think it's also unique for the tourism attraction kind of, and if well maybe preserved and protected, and if the communities are well sensitized, I think we can have a better area for other people to come and do what and learn from there.
Abebembezi nibagira ngo nibenda kuhinguza ekiragiro cy'amizi ahabwo kujonana abarukutahirira emyanya y'ebishara. Gasha kwa Anthony Twine ahabwa TV West. Webare omunyamakuru witu twagumuza mu government ya Uganda okurabera omuri Uganda Investment Authority ekahereza abagiga ningashi investors 17 itakomu industrial park ya Kasese ngo bombeke kwa makoro na nebindi batungure Uganda konka bubana baremerwe kandi itakaryabihwaho itakere rya industrial park nushangu muri Kirembe omuri Central Division omuri Kasese municipality.
Bwanyuma y'abakora ku rwo mu Uganda Investments Authority akwikoma industrial package bashabirwe bwanyuma y'imyaka nayona okuyamukuru bihanga gitongozaho mu bitongore kongatinekera korirwo.
For us we thought as politicians that something was going to happen, and we knew something was going to happen because the president had said it. But we can now see 4 years down the road there's no difference between the national park and the industrial park. Actually, the industrial park is more of a national park than the national park itself.
Sisi yana kadama industrial manager Investment Authority
availed this land to about 17 investors so far, some of whom have started development, as we can see, investors that were recommended by the leadership of Kasese are the very people that have led to the downfall of this park for now. Where they have solid reasons for failure to commence a project and they communicated earlier, the authority is lenient to extend them some time. But if these are not met and without reasonable cause, then the offer is revoked and the land returns back to the authority and it is reallocated to other prospective investors.
Why I emphasize that this should be an actionable thing is when politics is at its apex, with the government delegates and delegations. For example, you saw the state projects like that of the airfield, We had a delegation of people who came and told us that they were going to start constructing the airfield. Now, 2 months ago, I'm not seeing them.
We are left with a few clearances by government. Once we sign the agreement with the government, for us, we are ready. Like you heard from the team from UIA and Finance, the funds are ready. It is just a matter of us concluding the government processes and they clear us as a developer, then we'll be around. If they tell us to come tomorrow, for us, we are ready as AXA Group.
Industrial package yabe y'umurembe.
We intend to put up roads. We intend to ensure that the wastes produced by this industrial park are well managed. So there will be a waste management section. There will be a power station. We do not want this issue of all powers gone. The power is a bit dim, no.
Abebembezi n'abatura okurwo mu mwanya ogu nibajya industrial package yabatangire kukora abanyagana b'ibintu bijya kutungebemo gacha kwa Gilbert Mpanguzi.
Gire batumhanguzi umure witwa tivese murungi nyongera kusima aho tureberaho na kandi otwikirize tugaruke tumureho tugarukana amakuru agandi.
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hata no itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe
katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugeri banje tibaregaruka kugire nakwa hamutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kubasya ecakatochi mukume mu becho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi ino katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Food and Beverages Company Limited utakakiza myaka 18 utarimo
amazina ganje ni Captain George Mike Kura ko kwendete y'ubuhezi wa chairman wa NRM wo kuzwekera Eastern Uganda omusingirwa ekibina cha NRM n'ebintu bina okulinda ekanga lyawe okunda Africa entungaka y'abantu bona n'enkora ya demokrasia. Umwebembezi weitu His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ayebembere Uganda kurungi twatunga obusinge amani hati nitwenda ugateka aha uhangawo emirimo y'eminyeto okurwanyisa oboro hamwe n'okwisha obuhereza oburungi bw'amizi bwegese ebyamagara n'ebindi byo kuretaho ogugigahara gwabona hereza Captain Mukura Karuru tugumise une tunguka tukwatanise na President Museveni mwebere munonga nasima rohanga barindi
amazina ganja mumpiyedo kasi ninduka kikoti cy'Uruva district ninyozi imyenda ningora tukosa amashanyarazi aga fresh ngatuyamba fresh sora etuyambire munonga amashanyarazi gabo gatunga buzubu mbisa bagatereza batatiro sente zone ntojezomu
mweniwe oasaruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi b'enkoko banyina maka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora amagoba ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara aho gabusha free ebiri kukira hotela noti 8 noti hasha tuna mukaga hatano na mushanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha
Chibaya Youth Development SACCO abakugo mu kurwanisa obworo okubika sente hamwe no kuhereza loan zahanshaji nche bakuletera voluntary savings, group savings, institutional savings hamwe na junior savings. Dero twahikacha loans bakwinire business loans, agriculture loans, border loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, home improvement loans hamwe na women and youth empowerment loans. Bashanja muri Stagata Trading Center Nyakayo Mbarara City ahitaje rukuru bina matajo muruti Koranoria hamwe na Nyamitanga. Ebiri kuchiraho za website www.chibayayouthsacco.co.ug ninga tera note ibiri note chenda nemwe abiri na mshanju nkaga na mnana ninga note ishatu mwenda ishatu ikumi ashatu nibiri atano na mwenda. Chibaya Youth Development SACCO, Unity and Development.
Mucha tompo twizi kuna ruhanka shomaho
otwizi tuha mbire nakambire muhame mwami muhame
bashejama
muhame
bishi muhame no naza kunyo twizo timuhame naza kuteme chitocho timuhame muhame no
Muhame Financial Services Cooperative Limited nibo bonkabe ine ansa yebizibu byawe byona tungo bohereza bwabo ka Gohe Main Branch Kaberebere Branch Rubindi Branch Gwebikona Branch muri Mbarara Ngarama Branch Butare Mbare Branch Mugaruske Branch Ibanda Branch Sika Branch Kachindo Branch
ne hagira abashubuzi ne hagira abarisa ne hagira abahinji wanonda kudabiriza enju
abana baza kugaruka hisho mero
Musei kwa badomo rwa katori kundongozi na
nanywedde kano ka Luvera Chauda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati katyebule mutolo okolola okotyongoka kwata kano
Musei kano bakayita batya
Pineapple Chauda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi
bojo
mutolo va mu bya bojo
Nainefuno wamanyi utamira ku soda drink nababona nabo banyugutamu
Numwe konshterane echane bikoshira abahanga evangelist Timothy Kabere wahanganze nemero mu bikorwa byo nawo manyiso ebi akoze hagati yanyu ejo next year ngoma
turi twalitera injiri yamani omuchaha cha Kabale Stadium twebiro 8 ebiro 9 ande biri 10 tugyaba twinemo umupira ogwamana bo banajira hasi bakajangwe byanyu byawa litubeta mwije Yesu nayenda kutambira engwala zanyu zone kandi ogwamukaga nitwija kwa twine lunch free of charge
nitwakira omuri Rwambara Suits omwanya gwo mugwaje no muteka omuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall eyo mutindo gwa yiguru enebyo kwejinisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no endo mwanya gwo gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi omwanya ni Rwambara Suites Conference Center twine bishenge byo kuraramu ebyo mutindo gwa yiguru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant n'aba chef baronje munonga nitshangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mshanji noti 3 58 nshanji na mukaga 88 ninga noti mshanji 5 noti emwe 34 nshanji 4
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero ryonka eri cyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nebereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer ze chikacha higuru
kandi by'emizano bakabiteka amanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeji ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe n'umwanya rugogoma gwo kushomeramu ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kuciraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri nkaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi. Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stressi. Tuntumura burwiro komora vitamin drink tasyo munsi y'amagara marunji yamaho bigwemisi cyane abantu basyo hamwe n'abakazi n'ejo bidashokwa utuntumwe tubana stress etukunye cyakaboze multi vitamin drink bikorwa kaboze health products limited cyabwe NBS kandi cyo mu ya umuduka supermarket hamwe n'imotoka z'abakaboze okwedorori hanga ryona okushobora no kumanya cyaho 02 15 0M
Cheketi ebyamagara nibyerachiriza mu district ya Gantonde kandi abayo nibetumbitwa abuhereza bi umubashaho uburu mubinazi bwa bamwe umubashaho abari kucebera na no kwereza results z'ishobobo ahabwenguzi dera badwire bakafa ahamuceno
Okurigirira report z'amarwariro gatargamwe na gamwe muri Gantonde nizoreka ngo harho abarwire n'abana abarukhambwa abashaho ngo rero abashaho bahandika ebishuba ahabwa amani genguzi
mwana yake itanu bamukwata na government bamukwata family interruption mwana yaddayo n'atandika okumunda era kati bamugyeemu n'abaana ate process y'okumushomesa mwarayiha ebyokulya hoteli yabafurende tudatugabo umushomesa akajya omushiji yagendinga mu apregnantingiro ishoko kesijo na yinjire kwa unfortunately umushomesa izorora.
What do you intend to do? What have you budgeted for? To say that at least we improve on the service delivery as far as health facilities are concerned. Okusingira dala nyo granti omuntu wa bulijjo baba tuseko health facility tadayo nga baba aze.
Silvia nakwasa ahabwa forward we yagamba ahabazarisa abarkwehindurira abarwire nebindi bishikirizi ebiri omarwaro na za ward zabo.
Lack of privacy in health centers. Apart from Yakajara, health centers is zone zine wodemu. Ono mshija n'umukasi kuba kubaruna bakaba bakenda badmitted. Umakazo mu baraza ndija zo ward. So Yakajara kachikoraho mutsima management.
Government tuyondwenda kututireho nankeji yo kugira ngo tuforowinge buri musaho asomerire kuba ayine uniform kandi ro amazina geye na obufaransa bwayina ayirwaro.
Ofisi ya DC yatesa okuhiga no kutwara abashaho abo mu mbuga z'amateka.
To our regulations, laws and policies.
Omugandi omu district ya Kiruhura bashabirwe kuhagira president obwe barukutorana abebembezi abatwire nibabashagika bitu batari ababara kweyendeza. Ebi bigambirwe obabire nibabugabuganaho nabo buciko bwa NRM bari kuhashaba okushagika Anita Among speaker wa parliament.
Second NRM mu abantu babiri NRM abakonda sente na NRM abakujukuna kapati. Now representative wait by this members of parliament to be in mob. But NRM is really conquer exati nena kanisa tuzabo za kapati n'umutunga umutuma tebamo. Kandi kintu cyo kutabura ngira ate yicikitwa kimukigamye nonata.
Konko bururu bona okufa bufa buto bwana mbore narinkai.
enyakira yanyu organization yanyu ebambi kuza kuhika Kampala ushanga ntuburabura ushanga bamwe bagira ngo abana bakiruhura nibatutwaza akakumu abana bo munda mutabafo senyakira yanyu mutebe kanise
bamwe ahabanyishengero babire nibarondera Anita Among akaruru ko bwa National Vice Chairperson
konka kikuru nanimbasha bangu muteho mwene mutagambire hakaruru nakaryari kandi abarukatera Mr. Chairman nubaya
konka emyaka 10 a district yawe basingiraho muzeyi a polling station yawe
kikafu
so nusenda abantu abo kumobilizing umuntu arigamba ati Museveni oye akegita
itone emyaka 80 twayeberwe NRM itahe twihire mbweshi twayeberwe kugeragerana sa tukamanya tukubasa kugaruka kwe kurigaho
Gasha kwa Sande William na Turiyamureba Paul
Ebare abanyamakuru bitu eminyeto ku rwo mucange cyatoro Elizoba yargayo yayitombwitura government ahabwo ko barugaho kandi kabebwa otireho na nicanga cyatoro ecyo baru kugira ngo kibarekero mboro runuka otireho na nobutatunga obuhereza burunji ebyona babgambire omurchiko urw'abanyamakuru orbiro mu rurembo rwa football
aba baba bebembirwe mukuru w'eminyeto habwo ururembo rwa Fort Portal kandi eminyeto yabonerwa mu district 8 zicanga cyatoro nuko kwereka ubutashemerwa haco bayete cya government obutafa cyanga cyatoro otireho n'eminyeto nkabo ikintu bagira ngo cyabasigire batine buhereza burunji kandi ngo nenshonga y'ubworo nibe yaguzo rugusyo
urwo rukomeye urenda 9 batanu kutero bururu nitwe cyayibembera kukoma NRM baitu mukoma NRM nito cyakizire kutatunga buherezo butsemerire. The point in case Uganda region number 7 ata even 10% kurugo kubiri abrene satu ikasazin Museveni yakatekayo presidential donations mbana ba ghetto is kuhika billion musanju hano mutoro region number 99 94 95% abana ba ghetto abali mobilized abali muklasa zabo bene bitebe registered titukatungaga no mtwaro gumu as presidential donation
ghetto ezine structures neto toro twine ghetto kandi zine structures zazo zine bitebe zine association zazo ito hantu tukaraga na 10 balete emyoga garukira mu byaro na abantu abamu obumba yambwa barasisi na baradisi ghetto batunuga tutazirole
abantu bagira ngo ebintu ebirumunke byamagara no buhinji bikahwerekerera kare ngo kandi ubwo hatamarwara gari umucangeki gahindukira ifero ry'abantu kunga
irwaro lya buhinga regional referral hospital erkuhereza region yona line budget annual budget yirwareri ya billions asatu na mukaga bait presidential donations budget ya president eyo kudonatinga rundi kugaba bugaba billions 83 ekinorora kimuntu nkomunya Uganda ni baba bakunyagire muno kandi irwaro lyete lya buhinga rikamara sazi no kufoka mochare abakazi bayingira abakuferaho nibazara
toine kyo kutu correct kurora amazima genye ijo ryo kaiza kunutoro warugaga hali no gendanka kasesi kubo no bakora hati hakiki mazima ecucu yakagota wali otagirora iyo wali otagerabam
barukora abrahansi yehuru yabo batire hweru kumanywa nkasimu katoro abantu benda government base kushikiriza ebyo byone byezirene baraganisa umucanga cyatoro tireho no kwatira hw'iminyeto okwena nguna yekarugayo
simu katoro tuyimukire oba kutwara katojo oba kuterwa amasasi oba kukora bukimushona tugonza ebyaitu kandi tugonza President Museveni toro gigare busiyaka
umuganda abanyamakuru kurwo mu district ya Chegegwa batori nabebembezi baba yifero pomurangiro wa TV West arabereho atine cyakanisa okuba chairman abana begitiro mu kibini cya Chegegwa Journalists Association kandi Philip Murangiro torinwe kuba chairman araganise kubo rutindo rw'enkwatanisa hagati y'abanyamakuru abebembezi n'ebitongore
Simba nikama Rwanda bikaruru kandi Simba abanyamakuru bacegego babasa kuitora na ngachia pasoni wao kandi ndaganisa kukora n'abanyamakuru bona bacegego kandi zakora nkorutindo hagati y'abanyamakuru bacegego na district sezinga
maulidi tubadde
tuli awo nga ekyamazima nga tuyina atukulira ate tuyina busobola tukira nti ate bana atuyamba so ne twesalamu ko radio zonna gata connective ezenjawulo netulamu ne tulonda atwafunye chairman etufuna ba treasurer
abandi abatorenwe nabo bahamize kutwaza je
kandi nyino kukiza nto bwembuzo twatwane n'izuba nibuza kuretaho enkwatagana hagati y'abanyamukuru bakegegwa ebiretariho obirebi ku nkati nyino kukiza nto twatorana enkoreganeza kubiriho kandi tusa kugoborora mu mpola
twalonze chairman waffe w'ekitiibwa Philip Mulangira TV West yagenda kubanga atukulira nga chairman atwagala abakomewo bajja batubuuzi kiche mutayina basobola kubanga batulobingira
gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwire na Daniel Bingana.
Faza Cyril Mujuni owabinje barakumanywa nka kadingidi owa yesahurire community omurkarama yahiga abantu okurinda nyamishwa ezahanjirwe ruhanga hamwe na nibyo bahangwe biryo munsi byona obwe nagira ngo nibirunji kandi byino mugasho.
Father Kadingide byabagambira mukoro kusima kwa Cleophas kabegambire orumukuru wa Ankole Demonstration Zoo ahabwo kuhebwa kandi akikirizwa kureta nyamishu 10 no mwanya go kwegera hemetwarze emeturre hamwe nebikabye nyamisha hamwanya nshunjez ogurukshango mu rwashachi izinyakayo Jumbara City South Division
mbwenu kunare maya hati mbweni generation arete nje kweta kureba maya mbwenu akanyanko gote mbwenu nchende ataroizawe nko witu mitome nkusarwa Mkecho wacu twari abantu sana kwabera video mbwene byo bahangwa byabatabirinzgo muringo nkugu ogwo kubibasa kubirindira mu myanya nkeji ntubantu korabusa
kabegambiro watandikira Ankole Demonstration zo mwaka gwa 2018 yashobora ko kitongore cha Uganda Wildlife Conservation Center Chentebe kikamwikirizo kureta nyamisha n'ebinyonyi bwa nyuma yo kushijuma kwirisizo rirya nyamisha zo mu kishaka kandi bashanga guryo mutindo go kutunga nyamisha
kubizire ba to expecting abareba ebiju byazagonya bareba ebiju byenkende bareba ebiju byaza zana kazibeta monitoringiriza dinangashi arutwete urunyamatono bahasima dene bijoke bihangwe birungi bito orarebe rubeta ebete ncwera ezona hati ebiju byazo birhariya bakabisima
enyamisho zaresirwe harumwe inzira mere obunyankogote zagonya maya ebinyebihango entuha encende nebindi bite nyumaho batwire bine nyamisho zinde zirumwe ngamiya endogoya za nyamunyonyi ninga peacock imbeba zenjungu enkanga nezindi
maya empango kaganga ejo nanguba bebajhidizina nbajeta Prince George nekuchara mutwe mirundi ebiri
edya hanyuma ya wikemwe ninge birubina nitujirisa yankoko zikika omugisha tu ningashi ina twine binde bikoko byinji hanuya mu facility yitu nituza kubireba
ntushemerera munonga korengo gw'umwanya bagutekaho abantu tubasa kunanka koreta abajenyi bitu tubarambuza umwanya mwanya go kugenda kwe hare ekikubasa kuba tukostiri
amakuru agagasha kwa Fred turiyakira kabango
Fred turiyakira twaza kumuraho tugaruka n'amakuru ag'ibyemizano
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Iri zuba nza kutayire cyaro mufite gutoshaka kuba kuri yo kwesima no kushemerwa ombera bira inkanda zitazi mwe na zimwe nebyanga bakabateranda hamwe okusharura ebishaka by'embere konka ebirebe abakugu omu kampani ya Moviti bagitsire ebirungo byona omu kintu kimwe kokundeka mwana wanje takiriho okuteganisibwa Moviti habo nerwo omu kushakira ebishaka bitari bimwe na bimwe okutamba endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere okweyagura omubiri gwona gubagye gubereshera omwana nabasa kwesiga Moviti habo gel aloe vera avocado ningashe papaya
Moviti okweyesiga izoba lyona.
Pastor Wilson Bugembe at 20 in Tuganda Kusaraya. Do you remember this? How about this? And this one? Join Pastor Will B as he celebrates 20 years of great ministry, worship, praise, and holy entertainment. On the 8th of August at Campus Arena Hotel. Interest is 150K and the table of 8 goes for 3 million. Alibaba tickets available at 120K on MomoPay. Dial star 165 star 20 hash. You can also find them at Worship House Nasana, Papa Sport Machindi, and Serena Hotel. For booking, call 0760 333 132. Sponsored by Victoria University, Penal Records, Next Media, Pepsi, QC Restaurant, Massey Christian School, Success Motors, and MTN.
Yeah, possible.
Looks like whoever drops the ball buys a Pepsi. Go on, Jack. Sonny! Saved by Leah Williamson. Wow, Vinny Jr., game over.
Wait, there's only one Vinny J.
Pepsi, thirsty for more.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shua. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
Nabaramusya ninye Didier Drogba omubaro gw'abantu abari kwingana emitwaro 25 nibafera muri butandu hangutu za Afrika buri mwaka ekindi kinyararekeriza ahabo ko butandezi nizibasa kwerinda pichi nizikozesebwa munongo muri Afrika omushabazi ni woro kuvuga mwena mujware helmet yitegereze je omuhanda hamwe na motoka zirimu utakaza hagati sigaho akanya okuruga motoka ekuryomisho wabo ri ha muhanda kuraterebera jiro ebiru kwebwa twena turi namagara gitu twetantare butandu ahanguto za Afrika.
Makuru agebye mizano timu yihanga ya Uganda Cranes negarukamo okuzana izoba eryanyencakare omumpakeza cyane rukuritana na Guinea bwanyuma yo kusingwa omuzano gwabandize Sunday aharwo kubanza rwa weekend bari kuterwa ba Algeria na goli 3-0 acayica nambore.
Timu ya Uganda Cranes negaruka mu kuzana umuzano gwa kabiri na Guinea omupaka za cyane 2024 nyencha kare wa katano bwa muksingwa aba Algeria agurisha twari bushogwa abandiza aruko banza wiche Jim.
Ball whipped in, near post, and it's in into the back of the net. Ayub Ghazala.
Uganda Cranes yo mu group cha na South Africa, Guinea, Algeria hamwe na Niger. Hati Uganda niyo eshembire abandi mu group yabo etina kabonero kona kandi Algeria niyo ebembe nobono bushatu na goli shatu amuzano gumwe oguzana rim. Uganda Cranes yamara kuzana na Guinea ne kurasa omuzano gwa Niger 2019 kwa 8 rero eherukira no muzano gwa South Africa 2018 byo kwa 8 2025 achai nambole oguno murundu gwa mushanzi Uganda erikweta mu mpakezi konka tekarugaga omu group.
Butter and Algeria are romping to a solid lead. The biggest scoreline as yet in the CHAN 2024 tournament. And it's the hosts Uganda that are
agono makuru agutwabasa kusya habwe kireki owabanaga kusya undi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sunday Brian orumo rwo bonero twendeze kurara kurungi.
Eshaha zabisha tuzekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Ukumbereba ne kukibaho
France Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kwishaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buri cyetengo cyawe cyona
Chituzi yenywere chituzi ohurema twenje aha mumiro nichikurwa kurugo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo echi nichikurwa ba chituzi farm company limited
Tina events baguretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko